Do not go near SunRun. About that time. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and today we're going to be talking about SunRun and how they are scamming every single person out there with a ridiculous cost for their solar panel needs. Stay clear of SunRun 100%. I actually signed up with them. I had 48 hours to cancel. I canceled at 36 hours, and thank God I did. The total cost of the panels, everything soup to nuts without any rebates, was $53,000. Ridiculously expensive. Now, SunRun claims to do this, they claim to do that, meaning that they're saying, okay, well, we're going to give you 26% of the cost of the system for the federal tax credit, which is the current number at the moment. SunRun is doing like extremely shady business practices that you need to understand. Now there's also state rebate as well as federal. So SunRun never mentioned state rebate. So what they're doing is that they're keeping the state rebate for themselves, and then they're claiming to give it back to you for 4 years, $1,500 a year, giving you $5,000 and making it seem like they're paying for your loan, but in fact they're stealing the $5,000, making money on the interest, and then paying you back each year for 4 years. So $1,500 for the first 3 years, and then $500 for the last. That's not supposed to happen. That is not part of the deal. They're supposed to give you the state rebate as well, which is $5,000 up front. So then you can put that approximately $15,000 back into the system come tax season. So you'll get that back, the federal tax and the state tax credit back. He never mentioned anything like that to me. However, I have a funny feeling that when I file for taxes, or anybody for that matter, would realize that they actually took it for themselves, and then you won't be able to get that $5,000 back. And that would be shady business. $43,000 for that system is expensive as hell. So let me explain something to you. So Long Island Power Solutions the whole system is $38,000. Yes, it's not apples to apples. They're giving me 23 panels at 395 watts apiece. They're REC panels. SunRun didn't tell me the manufacturer was some Chinese-made manufacturer. I forget what it was called. They vaguely told me about any technology about the system. They didn't speak of it at all, maybe once or twice maybe, and I don't even remember the name of them. So Long Island Power Solutions is giving me the system for, get this, $38,000. About $38,300, okay? Minus the $15,000 tax rebate, which is $5,000 from the state, about 90. It's just under $15,000, $14,957, whatever it is. Actually, it's about $23,000 for the system for the loan, and that's it. So SunRun was $42,000, and with the rebate, their rebate, giving me back $1,500. It's a really shady thing. Do not go near SunRun. I recommend Long Island Power Solution. The solar system shouldn't cost you anything more than between $20,000 and $30,000 max with rebate, unless you go with a monstrosity system. What's unique about SunRun that I hated is that once you have the system installed, you must go to the manufacturer for any defects or anything. You cannot communicate with SunRun. However, Long Island Power Solutions will take care of everything. All customer service goes through them. You have a problem with a solar panel with an inverter, they will come to you. and fix it. Their system is monitored through Long Island Power Solutions. SunRun does not monitor anything. So if something fails, you must go to the manufacturer and replace it. Let them replace it. Hopefully you'll get customer service from them. You know, whoever company, whatever that is, through the manufacturer. If they're located in China and we sever that agreement with China and US, you can kiss that information goodbye and highly doubt you'll get any service whatsoever. If you look on solarreviews.com, you will see that SunRun is rated at 1.5 stars. Bad news for SunRun. So, I recommend Long Island Power Solutions. They have a 25-year full coverage workmanship warranty, which I'm reading right from here. Monitoring is included, and critter guards is included too. So, like squirrels and whatnot to get onto the system and chew on wires, whatever, that's all included, preventing that from happening, which is a great deal. So like I said, Long Island Power Solutions is the way to go for any solar technology. I'm getting just over 9,000 watt system. SunRun was giving me over 10,000 watts, slightly over 10,000 watts. So it's not really apples to apples, but if you think about it, there's no way in heck you can charge $1,000 watts more for $17,000 overcharge. So I spoke with a couple of people. SunRun salespeople make just about $1 million a year because they overcharge people. So all that overcharging is commission to them. Long Island Power Solutions average salary for a salesperson is about $250,000. So SunRun is ripping people off. I can't live with myself to even do that. That's such a shame. And Long Island Power Solutions is the way to go. If you're on Long Island and you need solar, Long Island Power Solutions is the way to go. The salespeople are so knowledgeable. They know every technical specification about the product I asked. I'm a very technical guy, and they answered everything I needed to ask. So I'm figuring out $250 a month every month for a year. So it's $45,000 because I'm averaging about $250 now. All right, so that's $45,000 in 15 years. But I only have to pay $123,000 for the next 15 years, and my electric bill will be gone. So that's half the cost. So the solar will be working with me to save me a ton of money. So solar is a good way to go. So anyway, guys, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe.